Right, so today in this particular tutorial, I'm gonna guide you how you can physically configure your hardwares, okay, especially in automation design. Actually, which is the same in the physical configuration in the control cabinet as well as in the software loop. I'm using my TI Portal Total Integrated Automation V17. So, and this module, just I have designed my PLC for the industrial automation system for a certain project. Have done the CPU 315-2 PNDP. Okay, that was the CPU what I selected for my project, and next to that is the integrated digital input output modules and analog input output modules. So the lesson in here, the point in here I'm going to share you on this particular tutorial is how we can physically configure. The physical configuration in the software loop as well as in the hardware loop is the same actually. So you have to order your physical devices in control cabinet in this order from left to right. This is, suppose that this is the rail. Look at, this is the rail, and over the rail we have CPU, we have digital input, digital output, and analog input, analog output. So what you have to do is slot 1, maybe it's for power supply, so leave this for the power supply. Maybe you don't have a power supply in the system line, you can bring your PS at here, which is especially to convert power from 220 to just DC 24 voltage, because this CPU having with 24 voltage DC supply. So you can leave this DC space for the power supply, and at 2 you have to insert the PLC, which is CPU 315, what I mentioned, 315 to PNDPN, gonna insert in this slot. And the slot number 4 is digital input. When you see the digital input detail configuration having with 32 inputs, okay, the 32 inputs are the input ports, which is gonna plug in or tighten with the screw, okay, which is a screw type or maybe a plug-in type. It depends on the initial bill of quantity reference, but the physical configuration is PLC, CPU, then digital input. Next to digital input you have to bring digital output, and next to digital output you have to bring analog input, and finally you have to bring analog output, which is slot number 7. But for my case, for my project, I don't need analog output. That's why, because I have indeed at analog input, and at the middle we have inserted digital output and digital input next to CPU. So in that way you can order your devices, physical devices, in the physical configuration on the site as well as in the software, especially Total Integrated Automation TI Portal. So this is all about what I have for you. If you are new for this particular channel, don't forget to subscribe and be a family. If you have any question, you can ask me related with the automation in the comment section below. God bless you. See you soon at the top. Bye bye.